Hey, this is Rich once again here at TVP Live with another quick tutorial of Photoshop elements for Joel. This is your canyon pictures that you had asked of how to make the sky a little more blue. I'm not sure if you meant just above the rocks or below also, but we can add a little bit of a tint to either or both. So let's jump right in. Basically, I made a duplicate of your original photo here. And I am going to start with the image enhance, go straight to color, hue saturation, and let's change that to blue. So that changes the hue of the whole thing to blue, but we need to exaggerate this because the sky, let me go back really quick, the sky didn't have much color to our eyes. So when we go to blue, it's hard to see. So I'm going to take the saturation and really exaggerate the blue. Forget about the rocks, we'll fix that later. Now let's lessen the effect of the blue by taking the opacity down. So it's got really subtle, just a tiny bit. So let's try that. This is 40%. And we're toggling on and off. Alright, so we add a little bit of blue to the sky. Now, which makes the sunlight actually look more pure white than before. Now let's get rid of the overcast that's on top of the mountains, and we'll simply do that by grabbing an eraser and carefully paint out what we don't want to be blue, which is the top edge of the mountain. Now if you're doing this, I'm just going to do this really fast, so I might make a few mistakes. Okay, so we traced the top edge and this bottom edge and did kind of a soft burn along the horizon here because it would have a natural kind of softness between the blue and the natural color of the ground. Now we need to cut everything else out. So once again, I'm going to put a new layer and fill that in with black so that we can see exactly what it is that we need to cut out. This 30%, I'll make that 100%, and we want to cut out all around that to grab everything that we don't want to keep, which is all the mountains in blue, and get rid of that blue, and then do the bottom half and get rid of that. Let's go ahead and zoom out, and what we're left with is just these sections that we wanted blue. Bring back the original picture, and now we're going to have to do a little bit of softening up after that. But obviously it's too hot because we exaggerated the blue. This was at 100%. Bring that back down to, oh, I don't know, say, let's go 30%. 30. So there we go. Your sky's a little bit bluer, and we can toggle it on and off. And we can change the percentages to whatever you like. And then all we have is two layers to play with, the original and the blue sky. We're toggling it back and forth. Anyway, that's it for now. That's your tutorial, and look forward just beneath this video for the finished product, and enjoy. Over and out.